Hey y'all, I'm sorry about that. I've been having little issues. Like I said, still getting stuff out of storage. I have not been to the storage unit in about 2 weeks, but I told you we got sick, so we have to wait. But I'm back, and I'm gonna finish out what I'm talking about. So the last thing I was talking about is the ice cream. Where you got it from. In different states, they have different places. Wawa, Speedway. The other place was Racetrack. That's what it's called. It's like Speedway, but what? If you're in like a really small town, they usually have like a CVS or Walgreens, and then they don't usually have like good flavors of ice cream. But that's not the way it goes. Now, I know I told you I use this for everything, and I'm not lying. It says it right here under salad. It's good for ice cream. And I said, you know what? Let's try it. Because I try it on anything that I eat that I think it would be okay with. But remember, it's honey, so it's just spicy honey. So it would give it a different flavor. Just give it a minute. I'm gonna let it go down a little bit so that way I don't have it all in one spot. I don't want to put too much, but I know that it's going to be good because it's honey. It's like, oh, you know what I got to get? Peanut butter. I definitely got to do that. Alright? It says it on it. I'm going by the bottle. I told you one day I was going to do everything on this list. I have already done chicken, pizza, and ice cream. And I'm going to try it with the tea. It's cold. It's cold. It is so cold. So, what happens is, the honey gets cold, so it gets thick. Oh, but it's actually pretty good. And then you get a little spice at the end. So it kind of gives you like a caramel feel in the beginning. And then you get smacked with this weird flavor at the end. Let's see. Alright. Because the ice cream is like so cold, it gets frozen so fast. It's just like when you put like marshmallow on top of it or peanut butter. Oh my god, peanut butter is so good on ice cream. Oh. Nutella. Nutella on ice cream. And the best part about it is when you're sick, you definitely use the excuse to have ice cream. That's why there's always ice cream in the house. There's always ice cream in the house. Hey. Ice cream. I had a toothache. Ice cream. And it's your tooth. Like, come on. If you don't notice the size of the Nutella, it was on sale on Amazon. I think. I usually shop at Amazon Fresh, if not the deli. Ooh! Woo! Okay. I was hot. I was hot. As you can see, Nutella sandwiches are loved in this house. I'm just letting you know. It is definitely all love in this house. I am a big candy person, and this is another thing. Just like the honey, it's gonna get stuck, and then it's gonna freeze, and right there, and this spot is gonna freeze. But I am a big candy person, and around the holidays when candy comes out, like Halloween, Christmas, Ferrero Rocher is my favorite candy, especially Christmas. You gotta do it. But the dog knows Christmas time, and when you do it, you get Ferrero Rocher. You get Ferrero Rocher, and I don't think it would be good together. I'm not even gonna do it. I already did the first. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to where I'm at because that was messing me up. It is good because the honey acts like a caramel, but then at the end it hits you with the spice, so it's good like that, but not with chocolate. Well, they do say, no, I'm not going to do it. Even though that they say the spicy stuff goes with chocolate, don't do it. Because why mess up perfection? Whoever made this knew what to do. Just like this. This could be made in any sweet. Just like this could be used on any hot food. Or cold, obviously, as we see. It's like a plethora. This could be used on anything. Like pizza. They make pizza. They make a Nutella pizza. Come on. Nutella and banana empanadas. I'm telling you. Try it out. And it satisfies your chocolate craving. It's supposed to be good for you. That's it. I am not giving you a fact. I'm giving you my opinion. It's supposed to be good for you. They give you the option of eating it in the morning, so even though it's chocolate, it's supposed to be good for you. Supposed to. I'm not giving you which is another excuse to eat it. I'm just giving you ideas. Start it up, Why not? And I'm going to end up eating all of it. Because dinner, dessert. And usually when I do mukbangs, I'll have dinner with you guys, and then I'll wait a little while, and I'll take a shower, and I'll relax, and then I'll have something to eat like this, like a dessert, like a candy or cookies or sweets up the wazoo. And I'm running out of Nutella in here, so I'm gonna have to. There is supposedly a hack with this, where once it's finished, you fill it halfway with milk and microwave it and then shake it. First of all, it sounds stupid to shake something that's supposed to be hot. I don't know if it works, but it's supposed to turn into hot chocolate, which sounds delicious in a certain sense because Nutella is delicious, and who wouldn't want that as hot chocolate? But to shake a plastic bottle, because they are plastic, they're not glass, and even glass, that's even worse, but to shake a plastic bottle that's hot with a cap on it, it explodes because the heat has nowhere to go. It just expands. That's basic science, I believe, or chemistry. Is it chemistry or science? I don't know. Chemistry. But I appreciate you guys tuning in with me, eating dinner, eating dessert, checking in on me, checking in on you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below how you guys have been doing. I want your feedback. I want to make sure you guys are on the same level as me. You know what I'm saying? And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Get them notifications flowing. I'll be back with another one very soon.